screening, again then the treatment and prophylaxis and prevention. The action for the anemia control, the management start from to the end. Start means the screening is very important. How you know that this is the anemia and the test is qualitatively or not? Because if the screening test is not qualitative, then again the false positive or false negative report is coming, and we are false anemia is not there or there. So the important thing is, one is the important test to the anemia screening that related to the clinical signs. We see the conjunctiva, tongue, lips, nail and palm. If they are the pale, just like I already say कि पहले काले थे फिर गोरे हो गए, तो focus on that that your nutrition is good or not. After that, if the nutrition is good, then it's okay. But if the nutrition is not good, then you check the anemias. The screening with the clinical signs in turn out the subject is with the mild to moderate. The clinical assessment needs to support with the hemoglobin estimation, and national anemia controls and prevention program protocol based on the hemoglobin level, but may further investigation and hemoglobin. And the value the clinical sign is very important, but it's not a qualitative and not a standard operation procedure is there. The second important is the Saley's method. But the Saley's method is also important things, the procedures, the training of the staffs, how to pick, how to intact the tip of the fingers, and the solution of the SCLs. And that's why this test, the quality control of the HB testing is the major challenge when you diagnose the hemoglobins. The again important test is the paper-based color comparisons. This method was used in the national programs at the field levels because it's very easy methods, but need color comparative and specific filter paper. Thus the logistic ID to be managed. It's very important. Pick quality is important is the technical source, and give broad estimated. It just give the broad estimated. It's not accurate, but it gives the broad estimated. The main the operational similar to the manage of the anemia to community levels. It's very important. But for the community level screening is important by the qualitative test and with the standard operation procedures. At the PSC CSC levels is also very important. The screening of the anemia beneficiaries, like the methods the general recommended for the use of the anemia survey, especially the provided ease of use of the enables workflow efficiencies and good support for the primary to tertiary care OPDs. When the you really eradicate the anemia, then we need the good support from the primary to tertiary levels, and use for the community level services, especially for the screening test. At the tertiary level, the instrument equipment is also very important. Standard operation procedure is also required. The continuous AMC, CMC is also required, and then you diagnose the proper anemias. The important, what is the matter for the screening? It's very important. The screening of the anemia needs a serious consideration as per the protocol in the public and private systems. The quality screening matter should not be considered. And at field community level, the screening is for the broad cutoff for the prevention management, and at the PSC onward, screening and prevention control is the main important for the treatment part of things. And the double-based protocols with the hemoglobin testing and management should be a part of the standard operation procedure if you really eradicate the anemia. In the Ayushman Bharat, the anemia package is also there. The important thing in the Ayushman Bharat, that in the Ayushman Bharat, we also see that number of the packages in the Ayushman Bharat is there, and especially the treatment in the anemia in Ayushman Bharat, the female is much more than the male. You see the female, it's about male is 41,000, but female is 96,000. And the amount is spent about 21 crore for the male and 31 crore for the females. So especially when we see the total 1.37 lakhs admission is there in the anemia package, and about 58 crores amount is spent by the beneficiaries.